So I have here this flood and drain system, and I noticed that the water level is low, and I thought, okay, fine, it needs to drain. When it drains, it'll gain about 50 gallons. And when it started draining, this is what I see. It's not really draining completely. It's like barely starting, but dripping slowly. It should be pouring solid flow of water. So if this happens to you, that means that the water level is low. The water pump is not pumping. The water pump that's here is not pumping enough water to fill the tank fast enough for the siphon to activate completely. So it's barely activating, but it's adding a little bit of water, so it's not activating properly. That's why I mentioned in previous videos adjusting this valve here, the return flow valve, and this valve here, adjusting them to the right side, right opening, to have the perfect amount of flow, so you have enough flow coming in on top to activate the siphon. So we just have how to fix it. We have to add water, but until then I will have to speed up the drainage. So I'm gonna shut this off here, and the minute it starts pouring properly, unplug the water pump, See, this is the normal flow. This is how drainage should be, how fast drainage. So when you saw it earlier and it's barely dripping, you know something is wrong. So now that I've stopped the water, I know I'm not adding any more water on top. After stopping the pump, I'm not adding any more water on top, and I will wait till this stops draining. Then I'll know what my water level is at, and then add enough water to go back to a 90-gallon mark. So make a habit of adding a stick in the sump tank with lines. Okay, here the lines are faded. You may not see them well in the camera, but I see them, I know where they are. I have to add water to the 90-gallon mark. So, as I said before, your shadow is key to the success. So you have to come and watch it every day and look at something and see what's wrong. But one clue that something is wrong is that this tank is a little too low. And so you wait. As a recap, when the water level in the sump tank is too low, wait and watch the drainage. And if it's on and off, barely starting a full drainage, you know something is wrong. You gotta shut it down and add more water to it. Okay, enjoy.